The Barbell ATG Split Squat primarily targets the quadriceps, glutes, and hamstrings, enhancing lower body strength, flexibility, and stability. ATG stands for ass to grass. Therefore, one of the goals is to go deep to maximize the stretch and engagement of the hips and quadriceps. Here's how to do it correctly. Position a barbell across your upper back, gripping it securely with both hands. Get into a split stance with your feet 3 to 4 feet apart, ensuring they are far enough apart to allow your front knee to track over your toes. Slowly bend your front knee, driving it forward as you lower your body to the floor while keeping your back leg as straight as your flexibility permits. Aim for a full range of motion by bringing your hips as low as comfortably possible. Your front heel may be slightly elevated to increase the stretch. Ensure your front knee aligns over your toes, keep your chest upright, and engage your core throughout the movement. Press through your front foot to return to the starting position, maintaining control and balance. Complete all the reps on one leg, then switch legs and repeat. Don't stop learning now. Click this video to master the next move with perfect form while avoiding the most common mistakes.